Bro, welcome to this mini city.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna play few games. You can do whatever you want. Yeah. What a beautiful tower. Wow. I'm gonna play the games. Yeah. Big church. Yeah. Whoa, I'm sorry. It was my mistake. Oh my God. Get out. Oh. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Okay. You're so funny. You broke your tooth. Oh, I think we should go to a doctor to fix it.
You broke my tooth.
No, it's not me.
You did that.
I slipped and you fall down. I didn't want to hit you. It's everything is good as I see it.
You broke my
No.
tooth. I broke your
No, no. What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you? No, it's funny actually. We'll go to a doctor and we'll get... What the world? What do you want? Finally, I escaped from you.